Welcome to my video. If you're new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you Discount Ramps latest discount deals that will help you to save money. Check out my YouTube video description. You will see this special discount continue button. Click on it. It will take you to the official website. They will show you a pop-up right now, give you a 10% off if you sign up here with your valid email. Website top option, you will see 75% off, 15% off using this coupon AMERICA. Now let's say the next month is Black Friday or Father's Day or Mother's Day. Any moment clicking the continue button, updated discount deals you will get. You can see the 10% off is waiting for you, and if you want, you will also get free shipping. What on sale, you can check out 50% off, 30% off, saving opportunity to their product. Down to the website last option, sign up here to the email list to get all the updated discount promotion anytime they change or update their opportunities. Now click the 75% off shop now button. They will show you all of their 75% off discounted product, which will help you to save money with confidence. You can see the good part is, let's say you need coupon like this for any website. Check my YouTube video description, second link. Create a free account on top, cashback. Search here with any website name keyword, get cashback like this, coupons code like this, deals like this. 3 different opportunity to save money. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, save money, feel happy, buy the best product with the best discount. Write few words in the comments. I will help you, guide you with the latest discount opportunities. See you again into the next video.